Hello everyone, my name is Arnab. I am your math teacher, and from today I'll discuss the mathematics in my channel. Okay, so today I start my first video, and in this video I will discuss the chapter number system. Clear? So let's start. So at first I open the board. Okay, now suppose, do you know the numbers? Suppose first number is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, what is the name of this number? What is the name of this number? Its name is natural number. Its name is natural number. Okay, by which letter we can represent the natural number? We can represent the natural number by which? By n. We can represent the natural number by n. Okay, next, do you know the 0? So obviously put the 0. Okay, put the 0. Okay, and if you take the 0 along with the natural number, what is the name of these total numbers? What is the name? The name is whole number. So write down, it is the whole number. WHOLE, whole number. Do you know by which number we can represent the whole number? We can represent the whole number by using the W. Done. The next number. Suppose we take the -1 sign, -2, -3. All numbers are negative. Okay. So whole numbers along with the negative numbers, the total numbers we can call it is the integer. It is called what? It is called integer. We can represent the integer by Z. We can represent the integer by which is Z. So up to now we know natural number, whole number and integer. Okay. So obviously if you focus on the board carefully, you will understand that every natural numbers are the whole number, every natural numbers are the integers. But can we say every integers are the natural number? Suppose we take one integers. Suppose we take one integers -1. It is an integer, but it is not a natural number. So every natural number are whole number, every natural number are integer, but every integer are not natural number, and every whole numbers are not natural number. Why every whole numbers are not natural number? Suppose we take the number 0. 0 is a whole number. This is the sign of belongs to. 0 is the whole number, but can we say 0 is the natural number? Obviously no. 0 is not a natural number. Clear? Next, I discuss about suppose one number. Suppose I write down 1/2, 1/3, 4/5. Is these numbers, are these numbers are integer? Obviously no. So what is the name of these numbers? What is the name? Its name is fraction, and it can be denoted by f. It is f. We can represent the fraction by using the number, by using the letter f. Okay, so if I combine the whole, that means integer and fraction, and if I draw a circle of the whole, what is the total name? The total name is rational number. RATIONAL, rational number. It is called the rational number, and we can denote the rational number by what? By Q. So up to this all clear? Next I discuss about one new concept. Suppose if you give the root of 2, so what happens? It is root 2. Okay, then obviously we write the root 3, root 5. So what types of number it is called? What is the name of these numbers? What is the name of these numbers? Do you know, everyone? So obviously the name of this type of number, it is called the irrational number. Irrational number. Sometimes we can denote the irrational number by using the letter S or P. Okay. Now if we draw the circle like shape along the rational and irrational, so what is the total number? What is the name of this total number? The name of this total number, it is the real number, and we can represent the real number by capital R. So obviously every irrational numbers are real number, every rational numbers are real numbers. Okay, every rational numbers are real number, every irrational number is real number, and every integers are real number, every natural number real number, every whole number are also the real number. But every real numbers are not the natural number, because if you take the real number, suppose root 2, it is the real number because it is irrational, means it is real, but it is not a natural. So that means we can say that every natural numbers are real number, but every real number are not natural numbers. What is the example? Example, it is root 2, suppose. So root 2 is the irrational number, that means it is a real number. Okay, but root 2 is not the natural number or integer. Done. So in this video today I discuss about the natural number, I discuss about the whole number, I discuss about the integer, I discuss about the irrational number, rational number, and fractions. Done. I send this diagram in my WhatsApp channel. In the next video I will discuss about the definition of rational number and definition of irrational number, which chapter is in the syllabus of class 9 in CBSE. Clear? So everyone must connected with my channel, and whenever I send the videos, you must follow it. If you like my videos, obviously subscribe it and share it. Thank you. Connected for the next video.